How to turn on Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Cellular as shown. From here, you can find out how much data you're using, set data restrictions, and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. Scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi calling below My Number. Here, turn on the Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone option at the top. Then, tap on Enable to confirm. Note that when you join a network, information about the country where the network connection is made may be sent to your provider. For short code calls, the town or city may be sent for call routing purposes. You can change this setting from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily turn on Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.